And I was trying to protect myself. And approached me, Your Honor. This isn't the first time she's, antagonized me. Okay, and those harassment calls, they've harassed me, and they even threatened me as I was leaving, and my witness was with me in the car, and I was holding onto my head because I was crying, shaking. Diane, Ryan, and their friend Jimmy were threatening me, saying, watch your back, look out for yourself.
Were you a witness to the event, a witness to the actual event?
Yes, I was.
Step up. Tell me your name.
My name's Tanya.
Tell me what you observed on the evening of the 22nd of August.
Well, I told Cecilia, for her to go ahead and get some beers because she was going downstairs. So then I went downstairs after she did, and then I went to go see where she was. She was speaking with Diane, when all of a sudden I just see Diane's arm just strike right down, right on her head, and then I saw her hit her. And I didn't know if it was with a beer bottle or not. I just saw her strike her. And then after that, I just ran towards her, and then, the bouncers and everybody was trying to tear her apart, and then that was it.
You went down to get more beers, right?
I went to go to the restroom also.
But you already had a beer in your hand. You told me you had a beer in your hand. Why don't you let me finish my sentence? You already said that you had a beer. And that there was some. What time did you arrive at this bowling alley / pool hall?
We went to eat there first. It was around 7-ish, because we were there eating, and then we went upstairs to shoot pool.
When you were eating, did you have anything of an alcoholic nature to drink?
I had, we had a pitcher. That was it. And that was a pitcher of
beer.
Yeah.
While you were having dinner?
With food, right.
While you were having dinner. And then you went upstairs to shoot pool?
Right.
And how much did you have to drink when you went upstairs?
It was probably about one beer.
Maybe two?
No, it was just about one beer because we were going downstairs to get more.
All right, now let's get back to you, Miss Bro.
Okay. First of all, she said that Ryan has a cell phone. He's never had a cell phone since we've been together. The concession stand is in the bowling alley, and she says she approached me at the concession stand.
Well, you have a couple of things to explain to me, madam.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Okay? Mm-hmm. You confronted her, and I'm not excusing if what you allege happened the way you alleged it to happen. Mm-hmm. I'm not excusing that. But you confronted her twice. Not once, but twice. You sought her out. Initially, you told me you went up to her, got in her face, told her to leave you all alone, and then you followed her again.
I didn't.
Yes, you did. You followed her again because you saw her talking to somebody at a table where you were going to be seated. According to you, this was somebody that you had had bad interaction with before. So both of those things weren't too smart. I will also tell you that the police officer, I'm going to get to her in a second, the police officer observed a fresh bruise on her hand. How do you think she got that? A large welt. How do you think she got that?
Maybe from pushing me, or, when she fell back, or, I pushed her back. Maybe her hand hit the table when she fell back.
No.
I don't know how she got a welt on her hand, but I didn't even have a beer. That's why Ryan was at the bar.
Just a second. So clearly there was a physical altercation between the two of you before anything happened with bottles, according to you. Is that right?
When we were at the table.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So there was a physical altercation. That must have been a pretty hard shove.
She hit me first. Was I not supposed to defend myself?
Where did she hit you first?
She pushed me in my chest, and I pushed her back.
No, okay, that's a push.
Okay.
That's not a hit.
Well,
how did she get the welt on her hand?
I'm really not sure how she got the welt on her hand.
You certainly confronted her on both occasions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Not smart. Now, my next question to you, Miss Alvarado, is this incident is over and you're hysterical. You're all
I've also told her, you know, together that we don't want nothing to do with her if she's going to continue on like this. You know, me and Diane sat there and told her to leave us alone.
Try Diane and I.
Okay, Diane and I.
I just had to do that. Just,
Sorry,
you understand?
Your Honor.
Judge Judy will continue in a moment.
You're supposed to be a mature adult. You're 33 years old.
Your Honor, she hit me over the head. What was I supposed to do?
I don't believe she, listen to me. I don't believe she hit you over the head.
Yes, she...
No, listen to me. I believe she pushed you. I believe you pushed her. I
How
believe
did-
you shoved her. I believe all of those things, but I do not believe that she hit you over the head with a beer bottle and that you had blood in a bump, because if you did, the police would have memorialized that in a very, I'm speaking, don't look pained to me, in a very detailed police report. I believe that. Now, I don't believe that you are blameless. I believe that you were involved with this incident and that you should not have confronted her. Your actual out-of-pocket expenses are $41.82.
I did miss 4 days of work.
Listen to me.
Okay.
You have to find that you are somewhat responsible for what happened. Because if you had stayed away from her, it wouldn't have happened. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
He's a big boy. If he wants to tell her to stay out of his life, he can do that. If he wanted to be stupid enough a month ago to do whatever he did a month ago that he hasn't shared with you, right? That's something that he's going to have to deal with if he acted like a fool. But you didn't have to go to her twice, especially since she had had a lot to drink that night. She got there at 7 o'clock. They had a couple of pitchers of beer, not just one.
No,
they
no.
drank. I'm speaking. I'm not stupid. I've lived a long time. I've lived longer than 33 years. Okay? You got there at 7, and this was 12 o'clock at night. You already had one beer bottle in your hand, right? You were down to get another one, and I assure you that that was not the first one that you consumed while you were upstairs playing pool. And you also consumed beer while you were having dinner, according to you, one pitcher. In any event, you're going to pay for her dental work. She's going to pay for her pain and suffering and for her missed work. Judgment for the plaintiff in the amount of $4,182. That's all.
Parties are excused. You may step out.
Judge Judy will continue in a
Has
moment.
been sworn in, Judge. You may be seated. Folks, have seats, please.
Mrs. Stanger, the defendant is your former daughter-in-law.
Correct.
Who is this?
My husband.
And who are you?
I'm Tasha,
How old are you, Tasha?
18.
You're the granddaughter.
Yes.
And you?
Jennifer.
Who are you?
I'm the partner of Deborah, 6 years.
Deborah.
Yes.
Okay. This is your lawsuit. It is your claim that your former daughter-in-law was having some trouble with Tasha. She called you and asked you if you would let her come and live with you. Your granddaughter did come to live with you. You claimed that your daughter-in-law promised to send you support for the child. She did not, and then your granddaughter took off from your house and went back to her mother's house.
That's basically correct, yes.
When did she come to live with you?
January 12th.
And when did she leave your house?
I noticed her missing the morning of July 16th.
Did things go all right between you when she was there?
Basically, yes, we had a couple normal teenage things, but other than that, Tasha was a wonderful child.
What was your arrangement with her mother with regard to support for Tasha when she was living with you?
When we got home on the 12th, Debbie was there with Tasha. She explained to us that she was having some problems with her at home and then asked us to take her in, and if we didn't do so, she was going to turn her over to foster care. So we took her in. We made arrangements that day that, you know, she would take care of her financially.
Well, no, tell me exactly what was said.
She never actually named, per se, a dollar figure, but she just led me to believe that she would meet her financial needs.